Hello guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. We are making a pretty boxes like this. It is looking like a school bag, I guess. What we are doing here, we are folding printed craft paper like this and making crease out of it. Then we have to pull out the two sides and again fold it like this and make a mini box like we are doing. And look, it is ready. It is almost done. You have to just put it inside and look, your box is ready. Then we are making its front side, and then we are going to make its back strips like this. And look, it is ready. And how cute this mini bags are looking. We are folding a colorful craft paper and make a triangle out of it, then open it, flip it, and we are making a boat shape out of it. Then we are doing the same process from other end like we are doing here, and we have to join it from both its corners like this. And look, your boat is almost ready. Look how we have to do it like this. Then open it gently using your thumb, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.